It was a hot summer night and the beach was burning. There was fog crawling over the sand. When I listen to your heart, I feel the whole world turning. I see the shooting stars falling through your trembling hands. And now you hold me so close and my knees grow weak. And my soul is flying high above the ground. I'm trying to speak, but no matter what I do, I just can't seem to make any sound. And then you took the words right out of my mouth. Whoa, it must have been while you were kissing me. You took the words right out of my mouth. And I swear it's true. I was just about to say I love you. Giza got nah. Thanks. BOOZHOO ni Janashinabe Dog.
BOOZHOO!
And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And, we were talking earlier. Oh, I'm sorry. And this is the lovely and talented Natasha. Take it down, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to these guys.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show.
Yeah. Well, we were talking earlier, the 7 grandfather teachings. There's 7 values in the Anishinaabe way, and each of these values is represented by an animal.
Yeah, huh?
So, like, you got love, right? And love is represented by the eagle.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's the bear represents bravery, and the wolf represents humility. Beaver represents wisdom. And the turtle represents truth. And the buffalo represents respect. But the 7th value, and I don't know what order these are in, but is represented by Bigfoot. Honesty. Sabe is the animal that represents honesty. And the weird thing is, most of the time, if somebody says, "Oh, I saw Bigfoot," people be like, "Ah, you liar! You didn't see a Bigfoot.
Yeah.
You're lying." But it's weird we would say that because, that's the one thing that Bigfoot doesn't represent. He represents the truth.
Yeah,
He
huh?
represents honesty. He doesn't represent the truth. The turtle represents the truth.
Oh, right.
But honesty, being honest, is, what Sabe represents.
Mm-hmm.
So I wonder why that is. Should we give him a call?
Yeah, sure.
You still got his number?
Hold on. Okay, I'm ringing him up right now.
Yellow. Hello there. May I speak with Sabe? Yeah, this is Sabe. What can I do for you? Oh, hello, Sabe. This is Nana BOOZHOO. We're on the air. You're on BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Did you hear me, sir? Yeah, I heard you. What of it? Oh, well, I didn't know why you didn't really respond there. I don't care for your show. What now? I don't like your show. I'm sorry, is this Bigfoot? Yeah, this is Bigfoot, and I don't care for your show. Oh, okay, sorry. Well, do you mind if I ask you a question while I have you on the line? Yes, I do. I was on my way to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom. Well, just take a minute. Make it quick, because I really got to go.
What?
I got to go number 2. I had a lot to eat.
Oh, gross.
Okay. It's a lot of information I didn't really need. But, so we were talking on the show that you represent honesty. And can you explain why that would be? That's because I'm always honest, right? I'm just honest. I'm brutally honest. Now I'm gonna go. I don't care for your show. I think it's silly, and now I'm gonna go sit on the toilet and go to the bathroom. Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. Sabay, Bigfoot. And say what you will, he is being honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for being on the show.
I think he hung up.
Oh, okay. Sabay, he represents honesty. Not necessarily representing politeness. All right. Well, hey, on that note, let's make that the Ojibwe word of the day. Guayakwa Dizzy Win. Honesty. And, yeah, Sabay, he sure is honest. Do you want to send us out, sweetie?
Oh, I'd love to. Well, hey, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech, ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and I am in your mind. And this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Min, Minawa.
All right.
Do you want to do another song?
Yeah, sure. Which one?
How about we sing? I can't think of one. You want to do a Kiss tune?
Yeah, okay.
This is by the hottest band in the land because you wanted the best, so you got the best. The hottest band in the world, Kiss!
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
And you show us everything you've got. Oh, baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Oh,